Hey, welcome Medisoft users. I'm Will Hiley from MedTech Medical Management Systems, here to help you get your ducks in a row and how to show you how Medisoft's going to be able to help you convert your ICD-9 codes into some ICD-10 codes. I just want to start off by letting you know that McKesson's done a great job here with developing Medisoft, making sure that you have what you need to implement your ICD-10 codes into your practice. Just to show you how easy it is, we're going to go through and walk through a demonstration of it here. So start off here by opening up our Medisoft. I have it open already, pulled up our practice. And what you want to do first is go to your tools and go down to services. And we're going to start off by setting your ICD version. So when you open this here, it's going to give you a list of all your insurance carriers. And we're going to want to update those for your ICD-10. So we're going to click here for the code set and update the default code by dropping this down and selecting ICD-10. And then the next thing we want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and set that effective date. Of course, the effective date is going to be October 1st, 2015, that dreaded date. We're going to make that easy for you, so go ahead and select that ICD-10 effective date right here. And we're going to go ahead and type in October 1st, 2015. Now once this is all done up here at the top, we need to select all our insurance carriers. So we're going to go ahead and select all and then click Update Selected. Now this will take just a moment, and while this is going on here, just so you know, this is going to probably take care of the majority of all your codes that you guys have. There may be one or two codes in there, a few codes that didn't get updated in there. You can manually go in and take care of that, but this will take care of the majority of all your codes that you have. So once this is finished here, you'll see the big change that would be that the code set now is indicating ICD-10, and it does indicate here that your ICD-10 effective date is for for October 1st, 2015. So once this is done, we're going to close this. And we're going to move to the next section of this by going back to Tools, Services, and we're going to create your mappings now. And this is what this is going to do is take all your codes, and it's going to actually convert it to the ICD-10. When you first click on that, it's going to open up this box here. This is a list of your instructions. Pretty simple in case you forget anything that we go over today. Your first thing is your one-to-one mappings. These are your ICD-9 codes that have an exact match to an ICD-10 code. So what I want you to do here in this section is, this is pretty simple. You're going to open this, select all of them, and then you're going to go ahead and create your selected code. Now this, because depending on how many codes you have, this may take a while to go through. So be prepared for that. But when this is finished here, this box will typically be empty. So there will be nothing left in there. That's how you know you got them all finished. And then the next step will be to take care of the other codes that didn't have a one-to-one mapping. So for example, in our example that we have in here, we have this top box, for example. When you click on that, you'll see that there's 4 different options that you could choose. Pretty simple, just choose whichever one's best for your practice. Select, and then create your selected code. And when you're all finished with this here, again, this should take care of them all and disappear. Now, if you do happen to add a code later, you may want to come back in here and update this as well. Now if you're curious about maybe what kind of codes that you use most often, I do want to point you to our YouTube channel right here. You can search MedTech Medical Management Systems. As you can see, I did here. It's going to open up our links of videos that we have. We do have one in here that shows you how to run the diagnosis ranking report in Medisoft. It's a great tool. Take a look at that video. That's going to give you, again, a list of your most common codes that you do use. So that's going to take care of this issue here. This transition from ICD-9 to ICD-10, McKesson's made it super easy for us to take care of that for us. Again, just a reminder, it's not going to completely eliminate all of your codes and the need to do some. There may be some manual ones that you have to go in there, but it is, again, majority of your codes are going to be taken care of with this. October 1st, guys, that's the deadline. Let's make sure that we get this done, taken care of by that date. So if you have any questions or if you would like to have more information, I urge you to go to our website, medtechsys.net. You'll see here on our site we do have an ICD-10 page. Once we go to the ICD-10 page, you can scroll down. Here in this green box, we did have a link here that's going to provide you with a hard copy of those instructions that I just went through for you today. Again, my name's Will Hiley, and I'm happy to help you get your ICD-10 ducks in a row.